OpenAI's Chat GPT language model is the most publicly used AI language model. So what are Chat GPT prompts? Chat GPT prompts are instructions or queries provided to generate a response or engage in a conversation with OpenAI's Chat GPT language model. They serve as the initial input to elicit a specific kind of response from the AI model. These prompts can take various natural human speech forms, including questions, statements, or incomplete sentences, and are designed to guide the AI's output. Chat GPT prompts are flexible and can be tailored to suit different purposes. They are used in a wide range of applications, including creative writing, educational content, customer support, and research exploration. By providing clear and specific prompts, users can guide the AI's responses and make the interaction more focused and relevant to a virtually limitless number of needs. Chat GPT prompts are flexible and can be tailored to suit different purposes. What would you do if you could get any answer? Conversational follow-on questions are understood and welcomed as well. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.